Alright, what's going on, guys? So I was looking around Subispeed's website and I noticed these S207 side skirt vinyl overlays. They were fairly cheap, so I went ahead and bought a set. For today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to install it. I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Okay, so just looking at the overlay, I can already tell that this thicker side is gonna go in the front, so the car's faced that way. So this is the passenger side. So the thicker side is gonna go here, and then it gets slimmer as it makes its way back here. So I imagine it's gonna end around right here. So we'll see how it looks. So the first step would be to just clean the area. I drove the car a little bit earlier today and we had some rain here, so it's a little dirty, so I just want to give it a quick scrub just so no dirt gets under the vinyl. Okay, so I just got done washing the side skirt and I didn't bother drying it or anything like that just because we're gonna spray it with some soapy water and apply the vinyl that way. I'm not sure if I have to use heat, so I'm gonna try it without heat first and then I'll use the blow dryer or heat gun if I have to. And while we're on the topic, I'm looking at the car right now. It's been about a month since I washed it, but I just gave it a quick rinse and this stuff really works. I'm not even just saying that. This is not advertisement or anything like that, but this stuff really works. And I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see. Like I said, it's been about a month since I washed the car, and look at that. It looks like it's doing what it's supposed to, and just hit it with some water and some soap, and this stuff really does the job. Alright guys, so that was a quick 20-minute install. So just so you know, I didn't have to use any heat. It was just dish soap and water, and you just spray it all over and squeegee the water out, and then it adheres to the body pretty well. I did have a difficult time trying to determine how low this should be, so I kind of just used the edge as a measurement, about 1/4 of an inch down, and then just go straight to the back. And as far as the front side of it, I tried to line the edge right here with the edge of the door so that it kind of just flows downward like that. And I think it turned out pretty nicely. I like it. And I know a lot of people get kind of scared just, you know, buying little like stickers and fake carbon fiber and whatnot, but one, no one's ever gonna say that stuff to your face, and two, it looks pretty good if you apply it correctly. So yeah, if you guys see something you like, just go ahead and try it, man. If it looks ugly, take it off, but don't let anyone try to influence what you do to your own car unless they're paying for your car bill. So I did notice on the driver's side that there are these little, I don't know, perforations, bumps or whatever, but I noticed it on the back side of the overlay where the backing is. I don't know if something stabbed it, but I couldn't get it out. I already reached out to Subispeed, so hopefully they'll be able to send me a replacement. That's about it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and add a link to the product in the description below. Let me know if you guys have any questions, but other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.